Today I'm going to be doing a video for Stockport Sling Library, and we're going to be looking at the Mamaruga Zensling. This is the sling. It is made from a nice soft material, a little bit similar to the material for stretching, and it's suitable to use from birth. It has some really nice features on it. I personally have been using this since my daughter was 2 weeks old, and I'm finding it really good. The waistband has an adjustability, so you can see here it says it's full width. All you need to do is slide and slide, and this narrows the waistband right down and cinches it right in for a smaller baby. The front part of it also has these straps, if you can see that, which you can cinch down to make the panel size smaller. I'll just do that on both sides. And on this side, very simple, just cinch it in. And then you're ready to go. So because it has a waistband, you need to flip the waistband towards your tummy rather than putting it on like a connector, which you would do flat. So you have to just make sure that the waistband is straight. Turn it in towards you, put it against your tummy, turn around and flip in, tighten. Now at this point I'm just going to make sure that the waistband is nice and cinched in for my baby. I'm going to be using this today with Eliza, who is 20 weeks old. Like I said, I have been using this with her since she was about 2 weeks old. So I'll just grab my baby. Okay, so this is Eliza. Hello, hello. So I'm going to pop her onto my chest and just get her into a nice seated position with her legs over the carrier. Now what I'm aiming for is to have her bottom lower than her knees. She likes to lean a little bit to one side. I'm going to make sure her hands are both up. Then all I'm going to do is get the panel and slide it up over her back, flipping the shoulder straps over. She's been a bit nosy today. Up. Over my shoulders, like this. Okay, there we go. Okay, so all I'm going to do now is reach behind, grab the strap, the opposite strap, give it a good tug downwards, bring it round and clip it in here. Okay, just do the same thing with the other side. Turn around, grab the strap, pull downwards, bring it round and clip it in. Okay, now I'm just going to make sure her position is nice. So I just want to make sure that she's in. Just make sure. If you feel that she's baby has straightened her legs at all, you can slide your hands inside and just grab hold of the hips and just tilt them forwards. So it's like a motion like this where you tip forwards and just tuck the pelvis under. That should make the seat drop a little bit. Now in terms of tightening it, I just want to make sure that I feel that it's tight enough. I'm going to lift the strap up and move the slack round to this side. You can see there with a little bit of strap. I'm going to pull backwards. Oops. A little bit of slack here on this side, and then lift it upwards, bring it round, and you can see I've got a good bit of slack there. Grab the bottom and pull backwards. It is in a slightly awkward position to pull backwards. What I always do is lift the weight with this hand and pull backwards. If you're struggling to do that, you can also use your other hand, so from the opposite side, lift the weight and pull from that side if you're struggling to pull in that way. If you tug downwards or downwards this way, it won't move, it needs to go backwards. Now, it also has a little spreadability on the shoulders, which you can spread down there. And this hood has a can be used just flat like this for sleep hood. It goes up. There is here, you can see a black, there is a black strap which just, you can loop this through and it can go over baby's head if you want to put the hood up. Yeah, she tends to like it a lot. She wanted. Say hello. And the back should look like this. You're aiming to get the cross of the straps sort of on your lower back, on your mid back there if you can. And that's the Zensling. As baby grows, you can obviously slide out the panel at the bottom to make it wider, and you can release these straps to lengthen the panel as well. Yes, I know. You're trying to look round. But yeah, we've found it really comfortable, and it's been a really good sling for us whilst she's been little as well. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. Thank you.